Hey everybody, welcome to the Malehanger YouTube channel. I'm Ben, the owner, designer of Malehanger. Malehanger is basically, in a nutshell, a male enhancement and penis enlargement device. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about the Malehanger product itself. I've got an actual intro video elsewhere on my channel, and you can learn a lot more about Malehanger there. Basically, quick tidbit info about me. I have been in the online male enhancement, penis enlargement, sexual wellness community since basically 1999, so I've got a little bit of knowledge about the whole subject. Broadly speaking, I've coached one-on-one and even in mass, in group, live chat, literally tens of thousands of men from all over the planet, basically since 2008, maybe a little before then. 2008 is when I started selling Malehanger, and I've been doing it successfully online, again, basically since then, shipping it all over the planet. Any walk of life you can think of. Busboys, doctors, dentists, everyday people outside of the professional world. Yeah, I've helped them with penis weight hanging, with Malehanger, as well as just, hell, penis enlargement in general, different exercises, sexually related questions. In fact, that's the gist, the basic, what this channel is all about. If you have questions about penis enlargement directly, whether it's an exercise, jelqing, squeezes, stretching with your hands, pumping, the different devices, vacuum hangers, extenders, compression weight hangers like Malehanger, specifically Malehanger, this channel's for you. Like, subscribe, please, even better yet, comment. I'm all about comments. I'm open to questions. That's why I'm here. Happy to answer them. If you feel compelled, hop on my website. I've got links on every video, as well as in my profile here for my channel, malehanger.com. I've got a live support chat there where myself, my customers, I've got several hundred customers in there. Not all at once, thankfully. That'd be a little overwhelming, but literally guys from all over the world in there pretty much 24/7. It's really cool because of all the different time zones, people's different backgrounds. You get all these different personality types commingling, really good camaraderie there. And yeah, just a great little community I've managed to build over the last several years. Looking forward to this YouTube channel growing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.